Hi guys, today we have another basic unboxing and we're unboxing a SMALLRIG Cage for Sony A6000 series, A6300, A6500. Now I've got Sony A6400, so I just want to see if this cage would fit. Not much to go about the packaging, got a bit of a... I need to get myself a knife of some sort because I always struggle with these things. Okay. Let's see if I can use my square. Has a bit of a sharp edge, okay. Well, maybe not. Can I use that? Well, don't know if I'm taking the label off, but I'm definitely damaging the box like. No. One sec. Okay. So I think I'll have to stop the video. Okay. I don't know why I don't have... it's a bit funny, I don't know why I don't have a Stanley knife next to me, to be fair. I'm doing unboxing, but I don't have a proper Stanley knife. So, okay. This is super eco-friendly box. I think I've got to pull this away without damage. Again, this is a non-sponsored video. I'm not sponsored by SMALLRIG, but I need a cage, so I don't know who else to buy a cage from. I think they're the main go-to person when it comes to these things. So completely eco-friendly packaging, which is cheap. Oh, okay. So that is the cage. Now there's one problem I've got with this. I've seen other cages. I don't know if it's a copy. I mean, it's quite easy to make copies these days. It normally comes with a... yeah, the quality is not great. I bought this from Amazon, like, but it normally comes with a tool that you can screw on and everything, but this particular kit doesn't. So I've got another kit that I'm gonna unbox as well, but this is what it gets. So let's see if it actually fits my Sony A6400 camera. I'll stick it in there. Let's have a look. Yeah, no problem, it actually fits. Yeah, covers mainly the whole camera itself, so I can I screw this on? Yeah. Yeah, screw it on. It's not secure like, because normally, you see, the top, you don't have anything to lock it in. So this cage is no ideal. I wouldn't recommend this cage. I don't know if you can see it, and apologies for the video quality, but normally you've got the cages where you can actually use these points, you know, for your lanyards to screw them on. So in this particular one you don't, so it will be a bit of a unstable sort of say, like. So I wouldn't recommend this cage, guys, and that's the end of it. Again, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like it, please like and subscribe. But for now, take care and have a good night. Bye.